going live at Underpass Park. But the real true reason why I'm here today is because I'm heading for the hills. Hill training. We're gonna go straight up this hill. This is my third time down. I'm kind of zigzagging back and forth. So I did check in with my healthcare professional. Take a look, there might be little potholes. It's not a smooth surface. So mix in your hills with a little flats, with a little hill. I'm just going to keep going. Just heading home from the hills, and I will say it works. It really works.